Hey guys, we got a review, excuse my voice, but it's a silicone driving gun. It's actually called Siligun, but it's a caulking gun. So you might compare the two. The difference is this is way lighter and it's only 4 inches altogether. So if you wanted to tuck it away somewhere, you could. Another good advantage is as this thing goes out the back side, it's just right in the middle. As it goes out the back side, you can cut it off and get into tighter and tighter places. So that's quite unusual. The nuisance, I think, is the puncture thing that they have to, that's gonna be a problem for a professional because you're on a ladder or something and you're trying to figure out how to get this thing to snap back in without dropping it on the ground. It's going to be a nuisance, but it's still a neat little thing for around the house, and perhaps for somebody like me, if we can keep it from getting broken, being as it's plastic. But anyway, it's called Siligun, and you might get it a shot, $20 so at Lowe's.